Curious about where all those files you download from Telegram actually end up? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your downloaded files, whether you're using Telegram Desktop or the Telegram web version. By the end, you'll know where to look so you never lose track of photos, documents, or any other file you've grabbed from your chats. Let's start with Telegram Desktop. Go ahead and open up the Telegram Desktop application on your computer. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the menu icon. That's the three little horizontal lines up in the top corner. This menu houses all your settings and preferences, so it's kind of like your command center for the app. Click it, and from the drop-down select Settings. Now Settings is where you'll find everything from chat options to notification tweaks, but for what we need today, you'll want to scroll a bit and tap into the Advanced section. Don't rush past here. Advanced lets you fine-tune how Telegram interacts with your system. Inside Advanced, keep an eye out for something called Downloads Path. This setting is key. It tells Telegram where it's currently sending any file you download, whether that's a picture, PDF, or zip file. If you click this setting, Telegram will either display the exact folder location, or sometimes it'll open the folder directly for you. That's super handy so you don't have to dig around in File Explorer. Now, most of the time, Telegram Desktop puts your files in a specific subfolder, so let me break that down for you. By default, it's a folder called Telegram Desktop sitting right within your primary downloads folder. That usually means something like C/users/your user/downloads/Telegram Desktop, with your user swapped out for whatever your Windows username is. I know folder paths can look a little intimidating, but just follow the trail. Open your Downloads folder, and there's likely a Telegram Desktop folder waiting for you. It's a bit like having your own mailbox inside the post office, so you know exactly where your stuff is going. If you've ever worried about losing a file, checking here can save you a ton of time. Alright, now let's switch to Telegram Web. This is the browser-based version, and it handles downloads a little differently. Instead of choosing a custom location, Telegram Web saves files to wherever your browser is set up to download things. For most people, this is just the regular Downloads folder on your computer, but it can vary depending on your browser's settings. If you're using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or something else, you can check the browser's Options or Preferences section, look for Downloads, and it should spell out the default location for you. Sometimes browsers prompt you for a spot every time you download, but if they don't, it's almost always the main Downloads folder. Now, what if you can't find your file, even after looking in Downloads? Don't worry, sometimes browsers put downloads in temporary folders, especially if you're opening things rather than saving them. These temp folders are hidden deeper in your computer, usually inside something like the App Data directory for your browser. It might sound technical, but if you need to track down a missing file, you can search for App Data plus your browser name and you'll be on the right track. And that's it. Whether you prefer Telegram Desktop or web, now you know exactly how to access your downloaded files and can keep your digital life organized. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. Have questions or still can't find a file? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful tech tips delivered straight to your feed. Thanks for watching.